for this problem, we are given one additional information that Mr. Alfonso drove the cars of the brand Mercedes only in the month of February 2008. Now, Mercedes cars are driven on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays. In the month of February, there are 5 Fridays, and then there are 4 Saturdays, and then there are 4 Sundays. So there are a maximum of 13 days in the month of February on which Mr. Alfonso could have driven the Mercedes car. Now let's go back to the relation that was given in the problem. 15 greater than number of days on which Mercedes car is driven, greater than the number of days for Chevrolet, greater than 9, greater than 6, greater than the number of days on which Ferrari car is driven. Now, as we have calculated in the previous problem, the minimum number of days on which Mercedes car can be driven is 13 only. Now, what does it mean? It means on all the possible days in the month of February, Mercedes car was actually driven by Mr. Alfonso. So, ME, the value of ME can be fixed at 13, and accordingly the values of Chevrolet CH and Ferrari FE will also be fixed. Chevrolet will be driven on a total of 12 number of days in the months of January plus February, Jan plus Feb, and similarly Ferrari cars will be driven on only 5 days in the given 2 months. So we now have the values for all the different brands of cars. So the question had asked, what is the difference between the total number of days on which Mr. Alfonso drove Mercedes and Chevrolet cars in the given 2 months? So the number of days on which Mercedes are driven is of course 13, as we have concluded, and the number of days on which Chevrolet cars are driven is 12. So the difference will be 13 minus 12 equals to 1. So option number 4 is the correct answer.